Hey Jonathan, I just wiener booped you.
You wiener booped me.
Yep, I wiener booped you. You gonna do something about it? You gonna do something about it?
You can run, but you can't hide.
You're not gonna do anything about it. You're gonna sit there and cry because I wiener booped you and you can't do anything about it.
What the heck does wiener boob even mean?
That I touched you with my wiener.
Wiener boob.
Look, I took my wiener and then I booped your wiener with it. It's not that difficult to understand.
The wiener touch.
Yeah, I basically musted you with my wiener.
Well. That was loud noise. Nothing. Which are
No!
well, apparently you were sneaking in Mortis. But no.
Occupied.
Pew! Says my error.
Occupied.
See my damage.
Huh?
Okay,
Okay.
Whee! Hey, bless you. I'm dead. Pew! Pew!
You will hold still, I'd heal you.
Pew. Pew.
Tell me your favorite soundtrack.
Nope.
Every time you shoot the crossbow, you just hear nope.
No, I said nope because she tried to kill me, but I was like, no, not today. Nope.
I can't do it.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh, the Winker is good for a scout on this server.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Sounds like your last two.
Nope.
Jonathan,
Yup.
you are dead.
Nope.
Hey, Jonathan, you guys again. Oh, here comes Spawn. Where's she? There she is!
Up in the sky, swinging around on the vine. What?
That was fail.
Lucy in the sky with dew.
Dude!
With dew.
It's raining men.
It's a that's not a man. It's a raining mares, hallelujah.
It's raining
God.
mares. Oh, I can't. I just spammed the Uber button, trying to save your life.
Oh, really?
Pew 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 pew.
Mine go.
I'll take that.
Ow.
Sapphire
Oh,
Back up, you idiot, back up!
yeah, that.
Man, you're getting me a lot of damage. You actually are shooting things this time. That's surprising.
It's because I'm using the bow and arrow and not a sniper.
Hey, are you seeing this, Arigato? Your brother's actually doing damage.
Oh my god, it's a miracle. Well, you know what's funny? Whenever you're not healing me, I can actually hit the boss.
Doink! Oh, wait.
Like, I'm not even joking. When nobody's healing me, I wind up hitting the boss, but when people are hitting me, my aim goes drastically down for some
Where'd
reason.
you go? Oh, that was a bad idea.
Why'd you lead me into her?
You don't follow straight behind. You have to stay back a little bit.
But,
You learn as a medic, you have to keep your distance between your target to.
you're like a kid in the amusement park. I stay too close and you end up embarrassing me. I end up embarrassing you in front of your friends, but if I get too far, then I lose you. You're like a kid in an amusement park. This is why I hate teenagers. Says the teenager. My life is complicated, okay?
Alright.
The way you're looking at me right now.
Oh god.
Oh.
No,
Again.
no, 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 no.
One person and one person only.
I love how you hear Jonathan.
Yeah, I saved myself. I was spamming the Q button, and as soon as it was over, I was like, fireball, jump, nope. No.
Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Phew!
Really?
Phew!
That's what mine sound like. They go.
Phew!
And that soldier walked in my freaking way.
Good job, soldier. Phew!
Again, soldier, really? That soldier just freaking hates me.
Phew, 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 phew. Phew! Phew!
I'm going in.
Phew! Get
And
ready.
it's dead.
What is her ping? Because that was really far away.
Phew!
134.
Phew! Phew!
She has a moderately high ping.
Yeah,
Phew!
I heard you.
Phew! Yay! Shohei, look at me. I'm scared.
Is it always beside each other?
Yeah, we always spawn beside each other, and I find it hilarious.
Careful.
Back, don't worry.
Hey Ricky, since the ne'er-do-well is like multiple people, wouldn't this be considered a multiple boss?
Dude, you just mind blown me for so hard that I forgot that I was healing Shuhai. I just
What?
stopped and just stared at my screen like, oh my god. Every time you die first, we almost always win, so I feel confident.
See, Jonathan. Oh god, where'd she go? Oh
Find
god!
Hey,
us!
I actually help out a lot. Once
I'll have to send it again. Don't download it, Shuhai, unless you're an idiot.
I just went twice.
You
Oh,
just
wait,
download the video twice and your ping just goes up.
your pingus goes up.
Shuhai's pingus went up pretty high earlier today.
I didn't know Roger went that way.
No. yeah, you didn't know that Ricky and Roderick had this thing going on, didn't you?
Oh, I didn't actually. Ricky, how long has this been going on? Oh. How do you not know?
Very
Ricky,
carefully.
Ricky, you and the scout got this.
Oh god, really?
Yep.
Yes.
I didn't realize that was the last one.
Shuhai, look out, the boss is on the map.
Oh sure. Okay. Oh shit.
Ricky,
Shuhai, I don't mean to alarm you, but there's a boss.
Yeah, I see this.
Shuhai, I don't mean to alarm you, but you just got hit. Shuhai, there's a boss in front of you.
Ricky, did you really?
I tried to run that way.
You're like, screw this.
Buy yourself some skill. Shuhai, buy yourself some skill.
I saw that. They did that to you too when you were Twilight.
Yeah, I'm not. No. God freaking. Why the battle, man?
Fluttershy hates battle medics, doesn't she?
Where
Yeah, she hates battle medics and regular medics.
is she?
Oh, apparently she doesn't hate me. Oh, what should we go? I vote for.
Yeah.
Fire!
Yeah, she's like, oh, that's Nortez. I'll let him live.
No! Shuhai, help! Shuhai!
Yeah.
Shuhai, let's leave. I don't want to be here anymore.
Where'd she go?
She keeps touching me! In inappropriate places.
Where's she at?
She's still in the main room. Don't worry. Oh, she's right next to us!
Oh jeez!
Thanks for not dealing any damage.
I can't hit her
Why
where
she's
she jumped.
jumping all over the freaking place?
Not good at hitting. Fucking.
Fucking.
Oh god! No! Why'd I use that? Why the hell did I use that? You're watching Jonathan, are you?
You made my voice crack.
I started.
Ricky, you started at the beginning of the end. Oh, Lord.
I can't see!
Oh, no, Rainbow.
I can't see. Oh, I can see. I can see.
Taste
Ah!
Rainbow, bitch!
God, thank you. Yeah.